This is my Jason's Deli chicken and wild rice soup in one pot. If this is your order every time, you're going to love this. Rotisserie chicken does most of the work for you. So let's make this. Butter goes in first, then add some onion, carrots, and celery with a little bit of salt. Cook them until they soften. That takes about 7 minutes. Add some all-purpose flour over the top. Stir for 2 minutes so it loses that raw taste. Next, you're going to stir in 4 cups of chicken stock. Pour in slowly, then add 2 cups of already cooked rotisserie chicken, 3/4 cup of wild rice blend, and add some poultry seasoning for some flavor. Lid on, low heat, 30 minutes. Then add a cup of heavy cream and 15 minutes uncovered cooking time. That's it, 6 servings. It tastes even better the next day. Get the recipe, the link is in the description box.